this afternoon it'll be fine. If we had planned to ride this afternoon, because look, the sun's only just dipped above that, so
I'm not risking it.
later in the day.
You risk it. I ain't risking
12 o'clock.
See how deep that goes?
Look at that.
Oh my god. Get it, get it. Little slidey bits. With black ice? Yeah. It's the bikes are in the car. And we've decided that we're going to go to a lake. Go to a lake.
We've had a great weekend of cycling here in Wales.
It's been fun with the snow, ish. And I'm going to talk later about learning to relax. So we were chatting about this yesterday.
Yes.
I can't relax if I'm not riding, or I have to be doing something. So I'll chat to you later about it. But yeah, so we're going to go and have a wander. God, it's quite warm out, isn't it?
It is. Yeah, it's nice. I'm telling you, the snow is going to be gone in an hour.
Yeah.
Come midday, it will look like it didn't even snow.
We'll maybe ride bikes. No. Calm,
Try to
relax. Yeah, it is. So yeah, we're going to go to, what is it called? The name? Lake Vyrnwy. Lake Vyrnwy, which is about, how long? Half an hour? Half-hour drive. Show you our antics of walking around and not riding. Potentially, maybe riding. Who knows? We had a bit of guitar action yesterday. So we are here. It looks beautiful so far, and already spotted some little place with, like, oh my god, the drone would be so good there. So we'll go and see if we can get it over. God, this is a bit slippy though. Tandem? Two tandems?
Driving over the bridge, yeah.
Definitely.
Oh my days. Place is absolutely insane. Like, how good is it? I think it's just so nice.
Beautiful.
I am pretty happy. And there's no snow on the floor. We probably could have ridden bikes.
Along this bridge, but
Yeah, these trails might not be as forgiving. This is a pretty bridge.
it's a really narrow one. It's just the entrance to the pub.
Pheasants are my favourite.
That was.
The boys are the colourful ones and the girls are the... Yeah.
What is that?
To attract the female. Hello.
Is the L right? It's the plug socket.
You can turn it on. Your hands touch the stars.
Oh, I thought there might be a plaque. So we're at... Is it Wales? Is it Wales' tallest tree?
I think it's Wales tallest
Wales
tree.
tallest tree. This is it. Hang on,
But
I'll show
Google
you.
Maps says tallest in the UK.
Oh!
But it says it with a question mark.
Oh,
I think it's.
this is it.
I think it's Wales tallest tree.
Ooh. Ooh.
Tallest in the UK. Okay, Greg reckons it's tallest in the UK.
Tallest in the UK?
Yeah.
This is even more of a
Maybe.
big deal.
It's a pretty tall tree. That's
It
what
is
we know.
massive. It's very clever, but a little bit creepy.
Back to the cafe. In half one.
Plenty of time. So back from the walk now, I just want to show you this beautiful view again because it's just stunning. But I want to have a quick talk to you about, I guess, social media and the internet and all that kind of stuff, because I feel like with this trip, because we've not had Wi-Fi and we've not had signal and stuff like that, it's really, and I've not done this for ages, it's just completely made me switch off. And I feel like a lot of the time I don't, and I struggle to, I guess, relax, because I guess social media is part of my job, and I think sometimes it is hard to switch off from it. And so like even like yesterday when we were walking, it was almost like, oh, I need to be able to do this, I need to be able to do this, like using the internet, and I was like, I don't need to do that. I need to learn how to do stuff for the sake of doing it. And it's also like with the bike thing, like I was really disappointed, not disappointed that I couldn't ride, but just like, oh, it would be nice to ride. And I'm not the biggest fan of walking, and we were chatting about it, and I think it's because with walking, I just don't find it as efficient. And it's like I like to do stuff and then like get that done and then be able to do something else. And actually I feel like I need to like slow down a bit and be able just to go for a walk if I want. Or it sounds really like dramatic now, like I'm not like workaholic or anything, but I think it's just been good, and I feel like I would urge you to do the same. Like have 2 or 3 days where you go away and you don't have signal and you don't have internet, and you just come and enjoy your friends and enjoy the views and enjoy just stuff before we had social media. Because I love social media, don't get me wrong, I love it, it's just the best thing ever. It means that I get to talk to you on YouTube, but there are downsides to it, and it's been nice just to kind of switch off from that. So I'm gonna go back into the cafe now, and in fact I'm gonna come and walk on here because it's just bloody stunning. I just wanted to share that with you because I feel like it's just a little thing that I've learned this weekend, that I need to be able to do that. So I like to share the things that I learned, but oh God, look at this. Look at that. That is a cracking view. Are you all eating?
Hobnobs.
No.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for the weekend.
It was good. Really nice. It was fun. We'll have to get together again sometime and make it more fun.
We'll see you both at services.
Right. It was really good that you
Yeah, you too,
I'll just leave the cake
Minus
away.
snow.
It's like it's a shame that we couldn't ride because they're like the roads that you ride on.
Yeah.
It's
We'll just do it next time.
Let's just find some like the quirkiest place we can find, and then back into nowhere we'll meet up. And
Yeah.
just do something.
Yeah, we'll do it in spring. Or
It was
something.
nice to do something different, definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've learnt to not do
Do-
everything riding, just calm down
So
and just
we'll
have
let
a
you wear
walk.
your cycling socks. It's all good.
Got my cycling socks
Yeah.
on.
Which makes a change.
Safe trip back.
Yeah.
Take
Same
care.
here.
Yeah.
You.
Yeah.
See you at the services.
Yes. So see you guys in about an hour and a half at Chester.